Hi everybody. The main objective of this video is to help guide you through how to access and use a program called USA Test Prep. USA Test Prep is a program that provides standards-aligned content, games, and assessments to help you prepare for the upcoming Keystone exams. So, if you're logging in for the first time, on the left-hand side you want to click on Create an Account. Your account ID is always going to be NorthPenn98. You want to type that in with no spaces and only lowercase letters. The next thing you'll need is a student activation code. Now your teachers will have to email or share somehow the student activation code, but I'm going to type in the super secret code, and then I can kind of put in my login information, my name, my grade level, my email address, all those basic stuff for setting up an account. You want to read over the agreement and then click Create an Account. Now, I already have an account created, so I'm going to go ahead and click Member Login. Again, your account ID is always going to be NorthPenn98. You then want to type in your username and then your password. Now, the username and password are the ones that you've created on the member login page. If you ever forget your username or password, you can email any one of your teachers and they can easily look it up. Now, once you get in, your home page will look like this. Right? The first thing you notice is that there's no assignments. Right? Throughout the year, your teachers may be assigning you tasks to complete, and you'll see those assignments displayed here along with the due dates, any notes from the teacher, things like that. Now, what I'm going to need you guys to do is click on Join a Class. Alright, once you click on Join a Class, you choose your teacher. So I gotta find myself. Here I am. And then you just want to click whatever period you're in. Let's do Summer School 2020. And then you click Join Class. Alright, so now that I've joined the class, alright, I see that there's no assignments. It doesn't mean that there's nothing for me to do. Let's say I need help with an upcoming exam. I can click on Practice up here. Alright, there's all these different tests that it kind of prepares you for. Right, but we're concerned this year about the Biology Keystone exam. So all the way on the left side, we see Biology under Keystone exam. So I want to click that. And these are all the different topics that are covered on the Bio Keystone exam. Right? So a difficult topic may be water properties, so I'm going to click that. Right? And now there's all these different forms of content I can use to practice. Alright, so I can watch some videos, learn about vocabulary, but let's click on Performance Task and see what that's all about. Alright, so we have one on the heating curve, phase diagram, properties of water, matching, and properties of water 2 matching. So let's do one of the matching activities. Right. Again, teacher and class. So this way your teacher will actually see any additional practice that you attempted to do. Alright, so water molecules are attracted to the molecules of the glass container. That's going to be an example of adhesion. So we just drag the correct answer there. Capillary action. Surface tension. And universal solvent. Let's see if this is correct. So I got 100%, and I also earned 4 tokens. All right. So those tokens can be used in like the arcade. So if I go back to my home screen and click on Game Arcade. Alright, I'll see that I have 8 tokens now to spend. I guess I earned 4 earlier, so now I can play a number of games that cost different amount of tokens. So like Alpine Climber will cost 3 tokens, Armageddon will be free. If you have a free time in class or at home, and you want to play some game and spend some of the tokens that you earn for completing tasks, you're more than welcome to do that. Alright guys, so this was a very quick tutorial on how to use USA Test Prep. It's a program that we're going to be using throughout the school year. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thanks everybody. Bye.